Are you looking for the best socket set? I have compiled a list of top 5 best socket sets this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. DEWALT 108-piece Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. This 108-piece set features a quick-release, 72-tooth ratchet for high-torque ratcheting and a knurled control ring. It includes 2 pair head ratchets and several different sockets, extensions, and adapters. The sockets feature direct torque technology to help prevent rounding of fasteners and to provide better grip. The set also contains a durable, anti-slip vinyl grip bit driver for maximum comfort. It comes with a lifetime warranty. The ratchets feel durable and solid, and the quality of the sockets and ratchet handles is great. The sockets do the job well and are tough and durable. The pieces are firmly set in the case and will not fall out or roll around. The product is perfect for working on cars, motorcycles, appliances, and other items in your home, particularly if you're a novice mechanic and are looking for a good quality starter kit. There have been some complaints that there are not enough sockets for each size, whether a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch, and it may not be as useful for the seasoned mechanic. Also, it can be difficult removing the sockets in and out of the case, particularly in cold conditions. Number 2. DEWALT 34-piece drive socket set. This 34-piece socket set can easily be transported between work areas. It features a removable inner tray that fits in most tool chests, and it has side hinges that interlock with similar DEWALT mechanics tool sets. It includes a 72-tooth count ratchet to access tough-to-reach spots. The sockets and wrenches feature hard-stamped markings to easily identify the tools. The set has a lifetime warranty. It has standard metric and imperial socket sizes, and also a drill extension. The tools are solidly built, well constructed, and last a long time. The ratchet handle is very comfortable, and the sockets pop on and off very easily when the center button on the handle is depressed. The case is small enough to slide under the back seat of your vehicle, and it has most of the sockets you need, making it a practical emergency set or simple DIY set. One downside is the ratchet is a little bulky and heavy, and the set doesn't include some deep sockets that a garage mechanic may require. Also, the extension may break easily, and the sockets are embedded so deeply in the case that they can be hard to access with greasy hands. Number 3. SUNEX 35/83/8" Drive Master Impact Socket Set. Our pick for best premium socket set goes to the SUNEX 35/83/8" Drive Master Impact Socket Set, which offers a lot of equipment for the asking price. The set features a heavy-duty carrying case, star and reverse star sockets, as well as SAE and metric-sized sockets. As a bonus, it even meets rigorous ANSI standards. Number 4. Gearwrench 39-piece 1/2 inch drive 6-point impact socket set. The 39-piece Gearwrench 39-piece 1/2 inch drive 6-point impact socket set comes with an established pedigree in quality engineering to back up its ambitious claims. While this set does not have as many tools and attachments as some of its rivals, it does make up for it in a few key ways. The case is made of durable plastic, and it's also light and easy to carry around out on the job site. Number 5. Milwaukee 3/8 inch drive 56-piece mechanics tool set SAE/metric. While tool brand Milwaukee may not have as much recognition as some of its rivals, this proverbial underdog still has some of the core essentials to help it stand out when you're shopping for a socket set. The 56-piece set can cover a diverse range of jobs, and even features socket flats that aims to reduce instances of rolling. The case is compact and the slots can hold tools securely without them moving around.